Okay guys, I totally forgot to set the time elapse, but here is some of the winter sewing I've done this far. Just got to put it outside first thing tomorrow morning. But yeah, so the white are, what is the white stuff? These are, oh, I think these are the cream poppy peonies, and then the green ones are bells of Ireland. So I have some more Sissinghurst, and I've got more bells of Ireland, and then I'll go on to a different color. So, yep. Tomorrow I'll set up the time elapse. I'll try to remember. I'm going to try, y'all. I'm going to try. Oh, and as you can see, like the ice cubes have melted, or they are melting. Let's see, I think. Well, this one isn't. Actually, I mean, yeah, you can see that. That's a weight thing right there. So, that's fine. I'm giving them some extra water, but hopefully I think they will have had enough for some chill time. It's supposed to get really cold this weekend, so I'll try to water them and then before the freeze. That way, you know, that's another freezing cycle that they got. So, all right, guys, there's the fireplace and the dog is under the blankets over there. And I'm going to bed. Okay, guys, so I left my steady stick inside, left it in Terracotta Terrace, but I wanted to show you guys the winter sewing I've got done this far. I didn't set up the time lapse. You know what, I'll just link to a prior video because the process looks the same, but I just wanted to keep you apprised. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full. So 6 times 15 is 90. And then I've got 8 of these. The green ones are bells of Ireland. The white ones are white poppies. I've got the cream peony poppy. And I think, oh goodness, I'm gonna have to look at my list. But I found the rest of the Sissinghurst. So I'll do the rest of those tonight, and I'll do the rest of the green ones, and I'll start whatever else. So I'm just gonna put them in the parterre garden, not parterre, the potager garden, because this section right here gets full sun and they really need that. In addition, once the weather starts warming up, guys, forgive the mess. The table got knocked over with the wind. As you can see, there is my hose. It's gonna be really easy to water all of this in here. So anyway, I'm gonna go back inside before I freeze my little behind off. But I guess I should tell you guys that I have a system for watering them that doesn't involve using the hoses, because I don't know, like the temperatures have been okay. Actually, they've been pretty decent, really. But for the next couple of days, we have some really, really cool temperatures. And I don't want to even though I have a hose on the side of my house, I'm afraid if I start trying to use it, I don't know. I just don't want to cause a problem. So this is what I'm using. Okay, guys, so this is my watering system. I have a Cobalt sprayer. It's 24 volt battery max. That's the power button, and I just stick the wand in the hole. It's a very powerful sprayer. So that's what I'm going to be pulling out for the time being until it warms up a little, and then I'll just pull out the hose. And since I'm over here, let's take a look at my little seedlings. Okay, so today is February 3rd, I think. And so those are the Lizzies. Some of them are getting really big. I've been fertilizing them every time I water with a mild bone meal solution. These right here are lavender. So these are doing a lot better. They're shorter and stocky. Some of these are a little bit stretched out. That's my fault because I forgot to put them under light right away. This over here is penstemon, and this center section that looks kind of sparse, that is geum, but they're actually, some of them are starting to come up, so I just have to make sure I keep them all watered, especially because I don't have a lid on it. But I have seen some sprouts, so that's a good sign. Like, for example, right there, and actually right there. So I think stuff is going to come up soon. These are more of the Lizzies, and over here we've got some eucalyptus And these babies are, let me see if I can zoom in on it. Ooh. Yeah, they're, as you can see, they're actually getting second leaves. I have to mist these again. And then here's the glass tray of the Lizanthus. So they're getting big. I can see second sets of leaves on all of these. So all in all, I'm doing pretty well, guys. So anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.